Okay, hello everyone. Hope you are well out there and welcome to another video. So today I'm gonna have a look at Dandy on the ZX Spectrum 128K, and this is a dungeon crawler action game from 1986. And it reminds to some degree of Gauntlet, but this game came out before Gauntlet actually, in 83 on the Atari 8-bit. I have never played the original version of this game, so let's jump into this one. So Kempston, I play with my Xbox One controller, one player, all dungeons. Okay, so here we go. I immediately destroyed a treasure, because if you accidentally shoot items you need to collect, you cannot regain them. So I almost shut down a key there as well. So here we go. So I need to go around and collect the stuff here in this flip screen. Shit. It's flip screen. Piss off. Okay, so my energy is down to the left, 870. Okay, and if I use if I use space, I can destroy everything with the spell. And my spells is down to the left as well. There's the fleshy arrows. The arrows, that is, and keys is to the left of that one. And the treasures is further to the left. Okay, so here's another key. Here is a teleport. So now I have 3 keys. Oh shit, now I have 4 keys. Okay, so now I should just try to finish this level. That is my main objective. So now I have 3 keys and 3 spells. I can use a spell here to demonstrate by pushing space. Everything dies except for this little fella here. Seems it's indestructible. Here I can use teleport. So this teleport can be confusing because you just show up in the middle of a sea of monsters. So it can be a little bit infuriating. Let's use a spell here. No, it doesn't work all the time, the spells. I don't know. So here is the end of the level. Okay, so here we go again. Oh. Where am I now? Okay, here. Another spell. So you lose energy very easily. Just by walking around and shooting enemies. So now I have 6 spells, 6 treasures and 3 keys. Let's go through here. Oh shit, and I just ends up in a sea of monsters. It can be infuriating. Oh, here is more health. So this gives me 660. It gives me some 50, okay? There is another key over here. Piss off. No, a shot. Yeah, I destroyed the key there by mistake. That is a crazy feature actually. So it can be tricky to regain health. Yeah, I don't know exactly how to play this game. I'm new to it. But I have finished 1 level, so I must say it's a little bit of a success. Have I been down here? Here is a treasure. Yeah, I'm losing health a lot. There is another one. Another key, more health. Have I been over here? There is a door there, but I should try to use this door first. Oh, here is more health. treasures. Another key, more health. I mean, it can be a little bit infuriating. The game, of course, the flip screen is crazy. I mean, the pace of the game is okay. A little bit of music perhaps could have topped this game up. Have I been over here? And there is more energy. Let's use spacebar. Why can't I use spacebar, I wonder? That is why? 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 Yeah, I'm wasting my spells, but I cannot use it. I don't know why, because perhaps I can only use it one time per level, I don't know. Okay, there is a key. How do I get in there? How do I go in here? Okay, I have to go through all this bullshit. Now I have only 430 in energy. Okay, so now I don't really know where to go actually. There is more of this. Can I use spell now? No. And all the enemies respawn when you go back. There is a teleport there. I should try to use that one to perhaps... So was the teleport in here, I believe? Yeah, I think so. Where is the teleport? I thought I saw it. Now I'm about to die here now, so... Can I go through? Have I been over here? Haha. Okay, let's start it one more time. Okay, so it starts me from... Is this just level 1? Yeah, I think so. I should try not to shoot down the keys now. Here we go. This is the first key. There's another one. Here are more stuff. Back. Hey. So I must say it's a pretty decent game. I cannot complain. It can be frustrating, but it's pretty addictive, I must say. Okay, let's go in here. Yeah, doing a little better now, but let's go in here. I don't have to collect everything, so where am I now? Okay, now I see. There you go. And this should be the end of the level. So here is level 2. This off. There is a key. So yeah, so this will be probably the same problem as before. We'll probably get lost a lot here. But who knows? I should try it. Ah, yeah, okay, so I have been in here. There's more energy. Let's collect all this stuff here. Let's go through here. There's another treasure. Don't remember if I've been in here. There is the teleport I was looking for before. That little plate there, or whatever it is. Ah, there is another key. Shit, I should try not to shoot it. So... okay, now I'm here. Okay, now I think I'm getting somewhere. I have one key left. There you go. Now I have 0 keys and cannot go through here. Hey. That means I have to... okay, so now where do I go? No, this is a dead end. There is only one way to go. And this is the way I must go, I think. Let's go down here. Okay, so there... and there is a locked... let's go through here, this bullshit here. I have a lot of health this time, so I cannot complain. Yeah, there is a key. There's more health as well. Come on. So now I wonder, there is different strategies to do here. There are more rooms down there where I was, but I think I should go... try to go this way. Where is the teleport? Okay, I should try to... I can try to go this way then. That was not my intention from the beginning, but... yeah, I think I screwed up now. There's more energy, and now I have 0 keys. Can I go through there? I think I have to go down here again. There's more health, and I shot down my health. Piss off. There is a key. Perhaps I can manage it now. Is this the right way? Hey! Can I come to... yes, I think this is the right way, but that is only my... oh, go back there. There. Yes, I think this must be the right way. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, I have never been in here. And I have 1 key left. Let's check here first. This is dead end. Come on, this must be... come on, go there and take the energy. Oh, come on, push it, push it, push it. It's a dead end. Can I go down? Where am I? Oh! It's a flip screen. Oh, there is another treasure. Yes, I see it. I see it. I see it. But how do I get there? I see the stairs. I see the stairs. So I have to go... perhaps I can go this way. Yes! Haha! I made it. I made it. Yeah, so this... I will keep on pushing here. Where am I now? Go in there. Okay, now I'm in here. Yes, this teleport can be super infuriating, actually. So now I have 2 keys. Let's go down here. I will die in a second. So here we have a shitload of stuff. Come on, push it. Oh, more health. And another key. Come on, come on, come on, come on. There's more energy, which I'm never using. Another key. So now I have 4 keys. Hey, where am I? This is more. Oi! Another key. Ah, now I'm back here again. What a maze. What a crazy maze this is. Okay, so wait a second now. Here. Can I go up further up here? Yeah, here is more stuff. Another key. Okay, now I should try to use my spell here. But why doesn't the spell work? Yes. I don't know why, because I pushed the space bar like 100 times, but perhaps I have to push it harder. I don't know. No, there, game over. Okay, but I've managed to get to level 3. I must say it's a decent game, this one, actually. In all its simplicity, if I can say that. The graphics, not the best I have seen, but it's alright. The pace of the game is good, actually, and the sound effects is modest, but it's alright. The flip screen is a piece of junk, actually, and it can be unfair that you use the teleports and you just end up in a sea of shit of monsters and shit, and it's like you're not in control of your actions. So that is a minus, but it's an alright game, I must say. So I'm gonna give Dandy on the Specky 6 out of 10. It's worth checking out. So that's it for today. Have a good one. Goodbye.